Hello, I'm Matt Selhorst with HDR Engineering. I'm presenting the Lawrence County US 52 State Route 7 Corridor Safety Management Plan that we began for Kiowa in early 2020. A previous corridor study was completed in 2007. Since the 2007 study, individual sites have been analyzed with some construction beginning. These include the US 52 and Salida Road interchange, US 52, Burlington, Macedonia, Walmart Way, Sandusky, Charlie Creek intersections, the US 52 County Road 1 and County Road 15 intersections, the US 52 State Route 243 interchange, the US 52 and State Route 93 interchange, as well as a proposed new Ohio River crossing east of Huntington. The approach to this study is to update the traffic, crash, and geometric information to identify any deficiencies and needs that have not been addressed to date on the US 52 and State Route 7 corridors throughout Lawrence County, as well as including routes between US 52 and the Ohio River. The study includes stakeholder and public involvement, land use analysis and scenario planning to evaluate future traffic demands, document existing and future conditions, analyze needs, and provide recommendations for implementation of solutions. Work will also include an analysis of the pavement within the city of Ironton. The study is scheduled to be completed by April 2021. Stakeholder and public involvement will be conducted in various meetings throughout the study. The goal is to maintain open and transparent two-way communications. These meetings will inform all about the purpose and the process of the project, as well as provide opportunities for input, and feedback for proposed improvements. A stakeholder meeting where local elected officials, ODOT, and other associations were invited to discuss the project was held in May 2020. An additional stakeholder meeting will be held in August to review the existing and future conditions. This information will then be presented for public input in September. Additional meetings will be held this winter for input and feedback. The existing and future conditions reporting will build on the previous studies and include identification and documentation on traffic reliability and safety. This includes the travel time, speeds, volumes, crash analysis, capacity analysis, and geometric deficiencies. An environmental overview will be conducted for these locations that are identified on the needs list. Our traffic analysis includes evaluating data from cell phone data that is available to determine where traffic is coming and going using specific roadways and bridges within the area. An example that we show here is the vehicles that are using the Ironton-Russell Ohio River crossing. This demonstrates that much of this traffic begins and ends within a 2 to 3 county area in southern Ohio. Crash analysis conducted to date identifies areas where crashes have occurred and those locations where the crashes have been severe. Further analysis to date has identified locations along US 52 where the interchange entrance and exit ramps may not meet state standards. The locations are under further study to determine if these current designs are a cause for crashes, and if so, how these can be improved. Following identification of problems, alternatives will be analyzed for locations to determine a cost-effective improvement. Alternatives will include future technology solutions such as radio signals for crash avoidance. To date, we have begun to evaluate one location, the US 52 State Route 93 interchange in Ironton, in greater detail. ODOT has conducted a safety study along State Route 93 between the interchange ramps. Their recommendation is to develop roundabouts at each of the ramp intersections. These are currently under design. The previous US 52 corridor safety study recommended that the westbound US 52 exit ramp be eliminated and move the exit ramp to the east side of the interchange as shown on the map. Additionally, local officials have requested that the at-grade intersection of US 52 and Orchard Road to the west of this interchange area be closed to eliminate the potential for crashes by cars pulling out onto the moving traffic of US 52 and to continue the movement of US 52 corridor to a limited access freeway. This change, though, would create a need to cross Storms Creek. Our team has coordinated with ODOT to determine that the design of the roundabout on the north side of US 52 could accommodate future improvements to this interchange area as shown on the map. Our work will continue to determine the feasibility and cost for any suggested recommendations. The study will conclude with prioritized recommendations with a project description, cost estimate, responsible agency, and a timeline. The next steps for the study is to complete the traffic analysis and existing and future condition documentations. A stakeholder meeting will be scheduled for late August and a public meeting scheduled for September. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thank you.